Catch big carp in muddy water this fall with this golden bait. Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Fall is here, and carp fishing can get tricky. You might be using corn, setting up your bait, but still coming up empty or worse, getting bites that don't hook anything. The truth? The carp aren't missing, they just have their own picky habits, especially in muddy water. Today, I'll show you how to use corn in muddy water to catch big carp, even 10-pounders. Segment 1, Why Carp Love Muddy Water. A lot of anglers think clear water is easier for fishing, but carp have their own ideas. Safety first, muddy water hides them from predators and humans. Carp are cautious, and low visibility lets them feed without stress. Comfortable temperature, they like warmth but hate direct sunlight. Muddy water balances the sun's warmth without overheating them. Easy foraging, carp root around in mud for food. In muddy water, they can forage without worrying about predators, making it the perfect dining spot. So if you want to catch big carp, muddy water is where you should start. Segment 2, Best Bait for Muddy Water Carp. Now that we know where to fish, let's talk bait. Homemade bait beats commercial bait. Big carp are cautious, they don't like strong, artificial scents. Corn is king here, but it must be prepared correctly. 1 ground bait, cornmeal mix. Ingredients: 1 pound cornmeal, small amount of hot water, steam for 15 minutes. Add a splash of strong liquor, like sorghum, and a handful of crushed corn. Mix well. Why it works: the natural corn aroma is mild and safe for carp. Strongly scented commercial baits can scare big fish away in muddy water. 2 hook bait, fresh corn. Use juicy, tender corn kernels directly on the hook. Only expose about 1 mm of the hook tip. No extra flavoring needed, corn's natural sweetness is irresistible. Extra flavor can actually deter cautious carp. Segment 3, Avoid the 2 common mistakes. Mismatched bait and ground bait. Using corn on the hook with commercial ground bait confuses the carp, they notice the flavor difference and hesitate. Solution: keep flavors consistent. Corn ground bait and corn hook bait. Sweet potato ground bait and sweet potato bait. Carp feel safe and feed confidently. Too little ground bait and no refill. Homemade bait loses scent quickly, usually 1-2 hours. If you don't top up, carp leave. Solution: toss 2 handfuls of ground bait at the spot every 1-2 hours. Just enough to maintain scent and keep carp around. Closing. So next time you see muddy water this fall, don't shy away. Use homemade corn ground bait and fresh corn on the hook, keep your bait consistent, and refill regularly. You'll be amazed at how fast those big carp show up. What's your favorite fall carp bait? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fishing tips. Tight lines.